Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. And today myself Sachin and behind the camera is Indu. So today is some great news for people who are going to give IELTS in 2022. So the news has came yesterday only, and the news is like now you can give the exam from your home. So earlier we were not having that option. We need to go to the test center and then we have to wait for like hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, and after that we have to give the exam. So the new latest update is now you can give the exam from your home, but it's in beginning from the early next year. So now what we have read in the news, like you will have all the four section. You can give the exam from home: reading, writing, listening, speaking. So, but see, there is something twist as well. So it's not like no one is going to watch you. So you have to take your laptop or if you go to a test center or if you go to a what do we say nearby computer place. So that time there will be some camera on that, and they will be watching you regularly 24 by 7. And it's not just based by human beings will be there watching you, it's AI based. So what we have read, so it's technology based. So whatever you do, some changes you make or you look here there, it will be notified to them automatically. Also they have made a portal through which it's if you make any new tab or you do something different irregular in your browser, that will be notified to them, or you make some changes to your system, that will be notified to them. So you have to be very careful about all those things. So I think it's overall it's a good news for all of you, but it also there are many negative things related to it. So what are the good news? First of all, if you like to talk, so good news is like you don't have to go to the test center, you don't have to wait outside the test center. There are many formalities which you have to do before giving the exam. So those things will be cut down now. So also you don't have to, like, if you have to drink water, you have to go washroom, you have to like okay wait for someone asking. I think those things will be available because you are at home, you can do whatever you want. But what are the negative things behind that? So negative is like there will at home, there will be so much of noise will be there, someone is speaking, or if not from your home, then people from outside might be shouting. People generally speak loudly, so that can happen. Electricity goes off, in that case it will be issue for you. Also if you have tried or if you have given the exam earlier, you know that if you are doing a listening section, in that every second matters. So if there is a little noise here there, it's very difficult, you will lose a marks over there, because you just have to focus everything whatever they are saying. So that comfort, that zero silence you will not get at the home. So I think these are all going to be the things which you have to see, but how what's going to happen with this online exam. So you can read more about on IELTS website. Its name is IELTS Online if you want to read about it. And hope so it will be a great opportunity. It will enable more people to give the exam, because everyone cannot afford to go to different far away distance to give the exam, because the cost of exam is already high, 15,000, and above that you have to spend more money to go to different places.
Will the cost change now or it will be same?
As of now, they have not mentioned anything about the cost, but cost might be same only. But you don't have to travel. That expense and time is saved for you.
Yeah.
And also, one thing, earlier people used to have this intention, or they used to have this myth in their mind that if they give exam from this location of India, it will be they will get a chance, they will get a good score. But I think this is overall now, that thing is not there. Also you will have a face-to-face speaking as well. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, like earlier we used to get for online, we used to get result in 7 days, but now what I read, it's in within 3 days you will get your results. Also speaking also you can do from your home only. There will be IELTS instructor who will be sitting somewhere in another part of India or from other part of the world, and they are going to do speaking with you. So I think it's going to be a great opportunity, and let's see how it goes for you. Please write down in comments what you feel about this new step taken by the IELTS, and also please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll give you more updates related to IELTS in coming future. So take care, bye bye.